Managing your home is like playing a Sims game. Unfortunately, sometimes you run out of space and just can't expand the walls. But all you need are some smart devices and ideas to turn even the tiniest room into a full-fledged flat. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel and hit the bell button to stay on top of the most wonderful inventions. And now, let's go! Do you remember problems with managing your living space in your Minecraft apartment? Well, it would have been possible to overcome them if the developers had added this awesome up-down mechanism. Using it, you can easily hide or reveal your dinner table, bed, billiard, or table football. Just attach the furniture item to the mechanism, push a button on a remote control, and the device will do everything for you. Spies in the movies often use furniture that turns into something like gun racks. However, even if you don't need such technology to store your gadgets, you'll surely like this secret billiard table. It's so nice when a bed is designed to store your cushions, blankets, and TV. Yes, it's possible to install any 40-inch display inside this footboard. Due to the lift mechanism, you can hide it whenever you want. It would be so interesting to see how the Ring movie would have ended if there had been such a TV instead of the usual setup. Besides, now gamers don't need to get out of their beds to level up in their favorite video games. This bed is an ideal option for any console gamer because it not only goes with a hidden 32, 42, or 43-inch smart TV, but also features mood lighting, holders for headphones, and built-in USB-C ports. In addition to the possibility of choosing the screen size, you can also add options such as adjustable head support, massage features, etc. The bed has more possibilities than a Lego set. The best part is that it's also possible to integrate similar lifting mechanisms into other furniture. Now anyone can enjoy watching news or shows while cooking tasty meals or cleaning the attic without sacrificing room space. Don't miss the newest Netflix series even while swimming or sunbathing. Due to this mechanism, any TV with a diagonal measurement of up to 86 inches can be rotated 360 degrees while staying protected from the toughest weather conditions. If your workplace looks like this, you should ask your boss for something better. What about a smart Sakura transformer? Despite its name, it can't turn itself into a yellow Camaro, but still, it's a full-fledged workplace with shelves for your papers and folders. And if your boss is a generous person, show him the folding table designed with 2 built-in screens. Don't forget to mention that the more screens you have, the more efficiently you can work. And this table produced by Micro Novelty will definitely please everyone who adores working in comfort. Its tiny lever allows you to not only adjust its height, but also its angle. So the only thing left is to get an ideal chair and turn your working hours into a vacation. On the other hand, if you adore sports, you can easily combine your passion with your work process to avoid turning into those guys from WALL-E. It won't just make you literally sweat, but also convert your efforts into electricity. The table features 2 modes and the possibility to connect with the Acer eConnect app. You can work out, charge your devices via USB ports, and complete your work all at the same time. Now that's the power of multitasking. What would have happened if Spider-Man had decided to improvise his skills in creating improvised hammocks? He probably would have started making awesome playgrounds. Luckily, the experts from Treenet Willies have already implemented this idea in our universe. These hand-woven nets can easily withstand 550 pounds, so even grown-ups can turn their room into an exciting world of tunnels, ladders, and portals. Yeah, that's surely better than a frozen land inside an old wardrobe. FeelNet's floor nets are ideal for anyone who doesn't want to run the whole room into a playground, but still needs a cozy place for relaxation. They can handle more than 440.9 pounds resistance and guardrails against falling, so you surely won't hurt yourself while having fun on these hammocks. Hey, that's not a diving board! In addition to an attractive modern design that features LED lights and a perfect shape, this kitchen table will impress you with its durability. It can easily withstand the weight of a full-grown person, so if you accidentally gain super strength, you'll surely need this piece of amazing furniture. Do you want to give your friends or family members a cooking workshop? This table is perfect for this because it turns into a large surface with enough space for both cooking and eating activities. When your ideal meal is ready, you can simply hide the induction stove and enjoy your meal. And this is not footage from a spaceship. This amazing setup will replace your dinner table and workplace. Just imagine how much space this exciting combination can save. If Autobots turned into furniture, this invention would undoubtedly be their leader. This high-performance gas stove is undoubtedly Monica Geller's dream. In addition to its awesome design and attractive LED screen, the device is made of top-quality tempered glass. Moreover, you can easily fold the two burners, which look like the nozzles of a spaceship, to quickly and easily clean the stovetop. And due to its child safety feature, you won't have to worry about your kids playing real-life Overcooked in your kitchen. Add some magic to your kitchen with this invisible induction stove. The device is easy to control, and it only works with special utensils, so you or your guest will never get burned after accidentally forgetting where your stove is located. The surface is totally resistant to any scratches and high temperatures, so nothing will prevent you from unleashing your inner Gordon Ramsay. It would be awesome to combine the induction surface with this smart cooking device. This mind-blowing mix of AI, camera, and projector can easily recognize ingredients and suggest the best recipes for what you have on hand. It also shows how you should perform certain cooking processes and calculates how many ingredients you need to get a perfect dish without leftovers. So, it's like your personal Remy from Ratatouille, but it doesn't touch your hair. No one will argue that the toilet is one of the most important things in the house. It serves not only as a portal to the Ministry of Magic, but also as a part of your daily routine. And if you don't have enough space to install this porcelain friend, don't worry, because this technology has you covered. The mechanism hides a toilet inside a wall or counter, which is extremely useful for the owners of tiny apartments such as Hobbit holes and robots' rooms from Futurama. This smart coffee table would make even Tony Stark envious. Despite its portable size, this piece of furniture boasts double cold storage drawers, a built-in stereo, an atmosphere lamp, a wireless charger, USB interfaces, and traditional electric power outlets. Wow, it's the real Inspector Gadget. The coolest thing is that you can control the temperature or music using a special LED control board. Do you think that these features aren't enough for you? Then check out this model designed with an additional water inlet and removable kettle. Looks like we finally found the perfect tea table for Uncle Iroh. Are you tired of someone constantly stealing your beer from the fridge? The best decision you will ever make is to get this awesome underground beverage cooler and find a secret place for your precious drinks. It won't only keep up to 15 bottles cold, but also definitely amaze your buddies when you show them how it works. No doubt, a large plastic tube with beers appearing from the ground is way better than those large worms from the planet Arrakis. After hiding your drinks, clean your yard from awkward plastic rubbish bins with the help of an underground vault protected by Haba. But actually, you can store anything inside this container with a lifting capacity of up to 4 tons without worrying it'll be damaged by outside pressure or bad weather conditions. What would you hide in there? If you have just thought about hiding a car, your dream may come true. Every year, more than 1 million vehicles are stolen in the US, but with the ideal park technology, you can easily avoid becoming a statistic. Protect your iron horse without affecting the landscape of your yard. The maximum load on the mechanism's roof is 330 pounds per meter squared, so you can cover it with grass, tiles, or any other materials that fit the design of your house. Well, it's not a garage from Tokyo Drift, but still, it's impressive to get to park a car underground. With the help of the next invention, you can easily turn your home into the headquarters of the Order of the Phoenix. Just imagine your neighbor's amusement watching your house transform and you come out of it driving your car. These secret garage doors perfectly fit any exterior and may be covered with a variety of materials. No doubt, it's an ideal option for anyone who wants to feel like James Bond before heading to the office. Secret rooms make your apartment not only more unique, but also a safer place to live. If only Kevin's neighbors had known it was possible to hide the entrance to the basement behind the stairs, the little kid wouldn't have gotten caught by the wet bandits. These awesome stairs are made of lightweight but durable wood, so family members of all sizes can open them without any difficulties. And how would you like this awesome solution for your kitchen? In just a few seconds, you disappear like Harry Houdini, so there will be no need to share your food with unexpected guests. Finally, if you're an introvert, you'll undoubtedly like this idea. With a simple movement, this shelf turns into a secret room where you can play mobile games, meditate, or simply relax without being disturbed. Yes, it's a mini version of Room of Requirement. Are you dreaming of enjoying the view of the neighborhood from your own balcony? Then you definitely need this exciting invention from Velux. It looks like a normal window, but at any moment, you can turn it into a tiny balcony. The construction is absolutely safe, but it's possible to install it only in the attic. Such companies as F-Crow also offer the possibility to design a home with a row of such windows, so now you won't need to argue about who gets to drink coffee in your favorite place. If you live in a flat but still want your own balcony, don't despair, because there is an awesome option called Bloom Frame. Unlike the previous models, it turns into a full-fledged balcony with a glass floor. The overall height of the windows is 7.74 feet, while its width may reach up to 9.84 feet. The floor resists up to 771.6 pounds, so you won't accidentally play the Squid Game. In case you don't like the cityscape from your windows or you have annoying neighbors, simply buy these cool windows with sand curtains to enjoy a desert-like view. Bruce Willis would have liked this invention because it would have provided additional space to hide his guns. However, if you don't plan to argue with bad guys, this smart storage system will still be useful for storing all kinds of things. And if you constantly forget where you've put different things, with these smart boxes, you'll always know where to find your hidden treasures. Just put stuff inside them, attach a QR code, and synchronize it with a special app. But you'd probably have to be Sheldon Cooper to scan all the things in a garage. Another wise decision would be to attach your boxes to the ceiling using these awesome brackets. No doubt, Sauron would have never lost his one ring if he had been using these cool technologies. People often ignore the corner section storage in their countertop because it's easier to discover Atlantis in the ocean than find something that you need in there. Fortunately, Nexus 21 came up with the perfect solution. Their storage will lift everything you can keep inside the dead corner section, so you can easily manage your things. This jaw-dropping technology also features outlets that allow you to create a pop-up coffee machine or teapot, an ideal option for minimalists. Also, there is a similar 3-level model developed by Hacker Kitchen's Greenwich. Washing dishes is usually an extremely boring process, but this kitchen sink totally changes the game. Its nano-coated finish can resist any damage, while the features such as various wash modes and digital temperature display will significantly boost the cleaning of plates and glasses. No doubt, this device is way more useful than the Wonderbot from the robots. However, if you don't want to wet your hands, you can rely on this combined sink and dishwasher produced by Photile. The device features 5 washing cycles that won't consume more than 3.17 gallons of water per wash. In up to 40 minutes, you'll get your plates cleaned, dried, and sterilized. What would you say to that, Elon Musk? The owners of tiny kitchens can now breathe a sigh of relief because this sink can save a lot of space by easily turning into an additional cooking surface. Unfortunately, its tap isn't as beautiful as this masterpiece created with the help of a 3D printer. Can you believe that it's made of metal? Yeah, it's definitely cooler than the majority of other 3D printed stuff. You will likely find a bottle of Chardonnay, instead of the Cheshire Cat, inside this portal to Wonderland. The design of this cellar will surely impress your guests. The module features a smart ventilation system and doors that open automatically. It holds up to 1,900 bottles of wine, and due to its spiral stairs, you'll feel like Gandalf exploring the Nazgul tombs. But due to the built-in light bulbs, you won't need a magic staff. Plus, there are traditional wine cellars with hidden entrances that you can install inside your apartment or in the backyard. Considering their bigger size, you can use them not only to keep alcohol cool, but also to store other products, hide from your problems, or survive a zombie apocalypse, having all the necessary things on hand. A swimming pool always adds 100 pounds of awesomeness to any party. The good news is that installing this folding iPool Go pool is even better than constructing the one in your Sims world. Just place it wherever you want, connect it to the compressor, fill it with water, and voila! Put your swimming trunks on! The walls of the pool are extremely durable and can easily withstand water pressure or even the weight of a full grown-up person. Thus, nothing will stop you from having fun. There is also an option for fans of more complicated technologies. How about a floor that turns into a pool within minutes? Although it doesn't work as epically as the pool in Chamber of Secrets, it'll still impress your guests. They'll especially like the colorful lights that create a magical ambience. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who dreams of building an indoor pool. Maybe he'll be thankful enough to let you swim there one day. Hey, it looks like someone has been inspired by the Cube Sauna from Futurama. However, unlike the device from the cartoon, Cocoon Fitness Pod may become your ideal machine for relaxation. Of course, if you have enough space for it and at least $17,000 spare, it won't be just a perfect place to have a nap, but also your professional masseur with 3 different modes. The built-in exercise system will help you combine your training routine with the warmth of Himalayan salt ties and pleasant scents generated by the aromatherapy fan. Don't have enough space in your apartment for that cocoon or even an ordinary bath? Don't get upset, because you can always opt for this foldable 56-inch bathtub. It keeps the water warm for up to 2 hours, and you can easily attach 6 massage rollers to relax your feet. The bathtub is big, deep, and durable enough even to recreate the iconic scene from The Witcher. But in case you are too shy or want to have a bath in your backyard, you can always use a special cover. It's time to finally please your inner perfectionist with the help of this magnetic closet organizer. It consists of a durable classic folding tray and many magnetic stacks. After 3 simple moves, your clothes will be perfectly folded and ready to go to the closet. Yeah, SpongeBob surely needs this useful invention. Although the organizer requires the installation of special brackets, it won't take a lot of time and effort. The modular construction allows you to adjust the height of the storage area, and the smart design of the stacks will ensure you can find the clothes you want quickly and easily. Are you tired of hanging the laundry outside to dry? This dryer is made of high-quality steel and aluminum, so it can easily withstand weights of up to 55 pounds. The dryer's smart construction makes it almost invisible when you're not using it, and its 31.49-inch length is plenty to dry any type of clothing. Are you tired of ugly electrical sockets ruining the design of your rooms? Not another word, you certainly need an S-Box Chameleon. Thanks to its wonderful technology, you can have built-in water-resistant sockets on any surface. With a light touch, they'll pop up just like Super Mario from a pipe. The device comes with USB outlets in addition to ordinary sockets. If these pop-up devices aren't enough for your house, maybe these C-form designs will please you. The company offers a variety of hidden sockets that use incredibly pleasant rotating mechanisms and tiny wireless chargers. So that's all for now. Don't forget to comment which device or idea you like the most. See you soon!